Hi everyone, welcome to SRV Academy of Account. This channel is going to help to get better idea about all accountancy subjects. Today's subject, accountancy, chapter, partnership firms fundamental, class 2. In previous video, we have seen simple introduction about partnership firm and performer, format of fixed capital method and flexible capital method. And today we are going to work out very important problems in partnership firms fundamental. Without delay, we move on to the problem number 1. Show how the following items will appear in capital account of the partners Ravi and Sasi when they fixed capital method. And here these are the informations, particulars Ravi and Sasi. Here there are two partners. The capital on 1/1/1987, the opening capital 8 lakhs, 7 lakhs. Drawings during 1987, 1,60,000 and 1,40,000. Interest at 5% on drawings, 4,000, 2,000. Share of profits for 1987, 84,000, 66,000. Interest on capital with 6%, 48,000, 42,000. Salary 72,000 and 46,000. Prepare the partners fixed capital method. So these are the information. We are going to find the fixed capital method. Just to remember, in partnership fundamental, the preparation of partners capital, there are two methods. One is fixed capital method, another one is flexible capital method. In fixed capital method, there are two accounts are going to be maintained for each partner. That is first partners capital account and partners current account. Now we are going to work out the problem with help of the given information. Under fixed capital method, there are two accounts we are going to maintain under fixed capital method. The first one, partners capital account. Here you make divide the 6 columns, particulars, Ravi and Sasi. There are two partners, debit side. Credit side also particulars, Ravi and Sasi. We are going to start with the credit side by balance brought down, the opening capital. So here how much is given? 8 lakhs and 7 lakhs. There is no additional capital. There is no capital withdrawal in the middle. So find the total 8 lakhs and 7 lakhs. In debit side, put the same value 8 lakhs and 7 lakhs. Find the balancing figure. That balance we call the closing capital. And 8 lakhs and 7 lakhs. Same Sasi and Ravi. Now we move on to the partner's current account. The same, here also you make divide the 6 columns, particulars, Ravi and Sasi, debit side. Credit side also, particulars, Ravi and Sasi. From credit side, start with the opening balance of current account. By balance brought down current account, the informations are not given. Now, we look into the problem. See, opening capital is 8 lakhs, 7 lakhs. We recorded in partner's capital account. Drawings during 1987, the partner's current account 1,60,000, 1,40,000. Interest on capital, partner's current account, and share of profits, income 84 and 66,000. Interest on capital at 6%, 48, 42,000 current account, and salary of partner 72,000, 46,000. We move on to the partner's current account. Okay, by balance brought down, the values are not given. Next, by interest on capital is given, Ravi 48,000, Sasi 42,000. By commission not given. By share of profits given 84,000, 66,000. By salary given 72,000, 46,000. And now we move on to the debit side. To drawings, yes, 1,60,000, 1,40,000. To interest on drawings 4,000, 2,000. Credit side we have excess. Find the total 2,04,000 and 1,54,000. The same value you put into the debit side, 2,04,000, 1,54,000. Find the closing balance, a partner's current account. So balance carried down, balancing figure 40,000, 12,000. Now we are going to move on to the second problem. One more problem we are going to work out in fixed capital method. Okay, now the problem number 2. Show how the following items will appear in capital account for the partners Ajay and Vijay. Here the informations are given 3 columns, the particulars, the partner Ajay and partner Vijay. And start with the capital. Capital on 1/1/1995, Ajay 80,000, Vijay 70,000. Drawings during 1995, Ajay 10,000, Vijay 8,000. Interest on drawings 4,000, 2,000. Share of profits 1995, 8,000, 6,500. Interest on capital at 6%, 4,800 and 4,200. Salary 12,000, Ajay, Vijay, nil. Current account on 1/1/95, the credit balance 1,500, 1,800. Now we move on to the work out the problem. The fixed capital method. Now the partner's capital account. We have to make divide the 6 columns, particulars, Ajay and Vijay. And credit side, same particulars, Ajay and Vijay. In credit side, we start with by balance brought down, opening capital 80,000 and 70,000. In this problem, we don't have any other capital, any additional capital or any capital withdrawal in middle of the year, no, nothing. So find the total 80,000 and 70,000. The same value, you put it in debit side 80 and 70 and find the closing balance. To balance carry down 80,000 and 70,000, Ajay and Vijay. Now we move on to the partners current account. You make divide the 6 columns, same like the particulars, Ajay, Vijay, particulars, the partner's name, Ajay and Vijay. Now we look into the problem. In this problem, capital on 1/1/95. Okay, we recorded in partner's capital account. Drawings, Ajay 10,000, Vijay 8,000. We are going to record debit side of the partner's current account. Interest on drawings 4,000, 2,000. We are going to record debit side of the current account. Share of profit 1995, 8,000, 6,500. Partner's current account, credit side. Interest on capital 6%, 4,800, 4,200. Credit side of partner's current account. Salary, Ajay 12,000, Vijay nil. 12,000, Vijay nil. Credit side of the partner's current account. Current account 1/1/95 credit balance, that is opening balance 1,500, 1,600. Now we move on to the partner's current account. In partner's current account, start with the credit side. By balance brought down, it's given 1,500, 1,600. By interest on capital 4,800, 4,200. By commission not given. By share of profits 8,000, 6,500. By salaries 12,000 and Vijay nil. The credit side, all informations are we recorded. Now we move on to the debit side. To drawings 10,000, 8,000. To interest on drawings 4,000 and 2,000. Find the total in credit side 26,300 and 12,300. The same value we are going to put it in debit side 26,300 and 12,300. And we are going to find the closing balance. So by balance CV, balancing figure 12,300 and 2,300. Now we are at the end of today's session. I hope you understood very clear. The partnership fundamental is a very simple and very easy and most expected problem in your exam. Watch my videos regularly. Please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon to get the further notification about my new uploads. Thanks for watching. In upcoming videos, we are going to work out 2 more problems in fixed capital as well as fluctuating capital method. Thank you.